There's nobody here.
I'm not even going to name them all because some of you would get mad at me.
Hi,
But there
Bandit.
are a lot of people out there. The term
Hiya,
New World
Bandit.
Order is being
Nobody's
used
here.
right now by people who dream.
Chuck's not here. Jake's not here. Jason Force is not here.
So
David Smith's not here.
Right,
They're not here.
very careful.
Nobody's here.
Recently took the ban off
Chuck Saunders is not here. Sean Kerr's not here. They're not here.
The horrible Holocaust against the Jewish people. I just want to say, if you're
There's nobody here, Jake.
you can't hate anybody.
Jake, nobody's here.
I mean, there's no room for hate.
What do you think about that?
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what.
It don't bother you?
Back to the phones now. I see Sandy.
What you looking at?
So I'm going to go there right now. Sandy from
You don't care that nobody's here?
Hi, Urban.
Yes.
Well, God bless you. I'm so glad to talk to you today on the eve of Forum. I was so thankful. You told the story so beautifully.
Chuck's not here.
It was such a delight to hear it from you.
Nobody's here.
I mean, it's the first time
Nobody's out there.
today. We're going to hear it tonight, tomorrow.
There's nobody outside. There's nobody's out here.
Thank you so very much. And wish you a
No,
wonderful, happy
we don't have anybody here.
I'm Jewish, and I'm
You can look, take a look if you want to. Told you, there's nobody out there.
It's a wonderful
Nobody's here.
and this is a great Holy Week, Holy season, and I'm just very happy to call.
Did I tell you the truth?
So I just want to
Told you the truth, didn't I?
I got an email from a friend,
Jake?
and it
Nobody's out there.
what the template would look like. I wanted to send it to
There's nobody out there.
and I just get the message on the email
Nobody's here, Bandit.
to enter.
Jake's, nobody's here.
At and put it to my attention.
Oh, okay, I will. Thank you so much for being there. I'm praying for you.
Sean Kerr's not here.
You traveled and just. Okay, I guess as well.
Well, Sandy, before I let you go, I'll be flying out to Israel tomorrow, actually. And
Okay.
we're going to be there for the next 12 days, and then we're coming back to Europe to observe the Holy Roman Empire there. Because people really need to understand what's going on in our world. And you know, the Jewish people have a slogan, never again.
I know.
Especially referring to Hitler's horrible Holocaust. And they rejoice
Nobody's
in the
here.
fact that they now have their own nation with their own army, their own military power, so that they
Bandit,
can
nobody's here.
And you know, for the nation of Israel, the nation is not going to march
What,
like
Jake?
lambs to
Nobody's here.
However, I do
Bandit, nobody's here.
people that there is persecution coming to
There- nobody here.
again outside of Israel.
Nobody's here.
In
Woofer.
particular, in Europe, the Antichrist is coming. According to prophecy in the Bible, he will come out of Europe. And I'm holding two conferences in Europe in the next few weeks, one in London and one in Paris. I'm going to tell
You trying to hear it?
that there's another
Trying to hear the TV, Mama?
all the Jewish people here should get out and really get
I'll
to
shut
the
'em up.
United States
Time to be quiet, Jakey.
because
No more barking at nobody's here.
it's coming. It says it very clearly.
Yeah, you don't want to bark at nobody's here.
It talks
Yeah.
about 2.5 years before,
There's no use of barking at it because there's no.
and then shall
Why bark at it?
the prince of the people
There's nobody out there.
then we will come in trouble.
There's no use of barking.
And then shall-
Why do you bark?
Yeah, and so I would tell all the Jewish people because we don't want to interrupt.
Mom's trying to watch Urban Baxter.
And to everyone who listens,
Yeah.
they will.
You can't just bark because there's nobody out there.
Some won't listen.
Nobody's here.
Some trouble. So we're going to do everything we can to help
Jake.
them to escape. I don't think
What do you
it's-
think about that, Jakey?
Sandy, I gotta let you go, but thank you so much for calling.
Bandit,
Appreciate the call very much.
you looking for that chicken nugget? Mama hid it for you. Now you can't find it, huh? There it is. Now you gonna eat it? All right. Is that a good chicken nugget? Yeah, that's a good chicken nugget. Huh. Where you going, Jakey? Jake, where'd you go?
Call 1-800-INTIME to order this.
Jake, why'd you leave us?
Introduce you today to what I call the Armageddon.
Bandit, nobody's here.
It was October of 2010. the headline.
You gonna tell me off, Jake? You tell me off? You about ready to tell me off? Yeah. What are you gonna do? Come over here on the table? We'll just... Come on over. Come on. You don't want to come over? You can. Come on. Who are you offing? There's nobody out there. Nobody's here. There ain't nobody here, Bandit. Tell them to be quiet. Mom's got to turn the volume up now. Yeah. What, Jake Bandit? There's nobody here.
Are you gonna watch next?
Because it's on his playlist thing. You got to go to the left to get out of it. Like left, left. Keep going left. No, that's the other left. One more left. There you go. Then you get to the search, and then you go to find something else. Then you gotta go up where the search thing is. Oh, you messed up.
I know what I did. Hold on, I'll get it.
Then you gotta go up and clear
I
Urban.
don't know. Hold on a minute.
Urban
You're
Baxter's
messing me
name.
up. Shut up.
That's all right.
This the other day and I'm leaving me alone.
I'm not leaving you alone.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
How much money do you want for that loan? Well, you said to leave you alone. Because you're not doing it right.
Why am I doing it?
I tried to tell you, but you won't
Well, I
listen.
did the other day.
Well, go up higher. Go up. Yeah. Now go over there where it says clear.
I know how to do the rest. Shut up.
And clear that name and put through what you want in there.
Shut up.
And that's an order.
That's me.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mom. Don't hurt me. Uh-oh. Prick or switch time.
Right.
Oh, man. I'm going to get a beating, everybody. Mom's going to tear me up. She's abusive. Jake and Bandit's being quiet.
What do you want to watch?
Anything you want to watch. You're in control.
Music. What's 68 weeks?
68 Weeby? That's my computer
Hello?
YouTube page. What do you think, Jakey? You gonna bark at the person that's not there? Then nobody's out there, so you might as well bark at them, huh? Nobody's here?
Which one did you usually do? Special one?
I don't know.